Welkom by Doksedeye Moed aanlyn. Maak seker om aan te teken op ons YouTube kanaal vir al ons dienste, kampusnuus en gebeure.
Ek kan dit nie vat as mense slordig is nie. Dit moet altyd netjies wees. Ek sal sorg dat dit altyd netjies is. Wanneer hare te lank en slordig is, pla dit my die meeste. Ek sny dit sommer vinnig kort.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Getting this get wreckage just quitting balls of fire. I let the love all I thought it was funny. You came along and you moved me, honey. I changed my mind.
Put your books down.
Goodness gracious, quitting balls of fire.
Aha, ek het geweet. Raai wie kry nou 'n haarsny.
Hallo julle. So, ek dink ons vat dit van hier af. Vat ons dit rustig net buitekant toe. Waar ek kan sien en lees vir julle. So basies wat ek gedink het om vir julle te sê oor is maar net die vers in Johannes 1 Johannes 3 vers 9. Iemand wat 'n kind van God is, doen nie meer sonde nie, omdat die gees van God in hom bly. En hy kan nie meer sondig nie, omdat hy 'n kind van God is. Nou ek weet ons almal kyk na die toekoms toe en wonder, jy weet, wat is die volgende stappe? En God kom antwoord jou. Hy kom sê vir jou, jy is in my. En jy kan nie meer sondig nie. Jy onthou jou besluite, soos jy praat met God. Jy vind by hom uit, wat is die beste ding om te doen? Hoe moet ek my vriende hanteer? Wat moet ek doen met my skoolwerk? En hy antwoord jou. Hy is saam met jou. Hy loop saam met jou. Hy doen die ding saam met jou. So ek dink dis regtig okay as jy in hierdie tyd van die lockdown net voel yes like it. Ek wens ek het al meer gedoen my tyd. As die toekoms soos hierdie gaan lyk, dan weet ek nie hoe gaan ek nog so lank by die huis bly of hoe gaan ek, jy weet, net myself wees in hierdie konteks, in hierdie situasie nie. Maar doen wat reg is. Doen wat jy kan. Omdat jy is in God. Jy is 'n kind van God en as dit beteken dat jou hare is bietjie lank of jy is bietjie meer slordig of jy het nog nie al die mooi goeders reg gekry wat jy weet al die ander mense reg gekry het in die lockdown nie. Jy kan nie sondig nie. Jy is in God. Jy is saam met God. Jy leef saam met hom. So kyk net die toekoms toe saam met die Here en beplan saam met hom en werk jou pad vorentoe in die woord. En dit sal goed wees. Dit sal amazing vrugte afwerf.
Who breaks the power of sin and darkness? Whose love is mighty and so much stronger. The King of glory, the King above all kings. Who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder, who leaves us breathless in awe and wonder. The King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross. the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Hey. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy, worthy, worthy. Oh, this is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross, you would lay down your life, and I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me.
Broke the walls down, here I am. No space between us, now I stand in you. I'm found in you. And I'm awakened to the truth. From the start, you made me to be like you. To be like you. Now I stand in freedom, blameless in the truth, yeah. As I behold, Creator God, I'm swept into your never-ending love. You are the mountain-moving Savior, alive in me. Truth. And from the start, you made me to be like you. To be like you. And now I stand in freedom, blameless in the truth, yeah. As I behold, Creator God, I'm swept into your never-ending love. You are the mountain-moving Savior, yeah. And as I behold, Creator God, I'm swept into your never-ending love. You are the mountain-moving Savior, mountain mover. You have made a way. You define me. You have called my name, mountain mover. You have made a way. You define me. You have called my name. As I behold the Creator God, I'm swept into your never-ending love.